Namaste and warm welcome in my YouTube channel MathTech. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share it, and press the notification bell also so that you will get notified when I upload the new video. The videos are very useful and important for the new users and or the beginners. If you are new to GeoGebra, this video will completely help you to update yourself so that you can develop basic skills in using GeoGebra. If you are new and you have not watched my part 1 video in which I have included the how to use menu bar, file menu, edit menu, view menu, options, tools, windows and help, then this part 1 video will completely help you. The description, the link of that part 1 video is given in description box also, and in I have included that video in I button also. You can press the I button and go to watch the part 1 video. Now in this second part, we will discuss about the complete overview of toolbar, how to use toolbar. So let's move to the video.
Click on view, click on layout, then this one is object properties, second one is preferences graphics, third one is preferences layout. We have to select preferences layout. First one is object properties, second one is preferences graphics, and third one is preferences layout. We have to click on preferences layout. Here input bar is not is hidden, so let's click on show input bar, and toolbar is just here. If toolbar is hidden, then we have to do like this. Yes, so it view, layout, then third from the left third, there is preferences layout, then click on show input bar, hit or to hide or unhide. Yes, like this. Then to hide toolbar, to show toolbar like this, we can do this. And this is title bar and this is style bar. Let's check each and every box. Okay, toolbar help also we can bring. So go to layout and go to view, then layout, and then preferences layout, and check all boxes. Okay, then only we can work very easily in toolbar. Now let's do first one is toolbar. This first tool is move toolbar. If you put your cursor just below that toolbar, first tool, then the name is also shown there, and a short hint or instruction is also given there. Move, how to use this tool. That means drag or select object. So what do you mean by object in GeoGebra? Object in GeoGebra is point or line or any type of shapes. They are each shape or object or figure is considered as their object. Any point or set of points, line segment, circle, triangle, quadrilateral, polygon, any figure, that each is considered as object here. So if you want to move object, just click and select the object, then drag it. Okay, move to. And move around point, we will discuss about move around point in my next video when I teach you locus. Okay, freehand shape. This is freehand shape. This is freehand, so we can draw like this. Draw just no, it is not okay. Just rectangle like this. No, it's not right. It gives triangle. Yeah, quadrilateral. No, it's not right. Like this. Yeah. Yes. Like this. Using freehand shape also, we can use different type of shapes. It's artificial intelligence works, and we can draw freehand shape like this. This is from move tool. There are two toolbar here, move tool and move around point, freehand shape. This is pen. Yes, we can write this is pen. We can write whatever we want. And here, from here, we can select the color. What type of color do you want? And line also, a style of line, writing line. We can also select like this. If you want to trace like this, for example, A, then we can use such this one. pen tool and style, line up a style like this. Yeah, like this. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Like this also. It's edgy. It brings new style. This is pen tool. Color is, we can select color from here. Line style from here. Yes, we can just hidden or shown. This is lock. We can lock it. Yeah. Select the object. Now let's move. Now move tool here. Let's see move tool. Drag or select object. So we are going to select and we can drag it. Yes, select this object and drag it. Select this object and drag it. Select this object and drag it. We are using move tool. Move tool is used to move the object, but for that we have to select that object, then move, drag where you want to keep. Drag this object. This is graphic window is moved. No, select the object. If you click on the graphics window, then graphics window will move. Okay, we are going to move the object. So select the object and move it. Okay, like this. Select the object and move it. Yeah, like this. Okay, now Control A. Let's delete. Move tool is finished. Now we are moving to point. Point tool is used to locate the points like this. Yeah, like this. We can put to locate points. We use point tool. Yes, and point tool. And this is point on object. For that, let's draw a polygon. This is polygon tool. Polygon tool. Let's draw a polygon here. And if you want to take any point on object means on a line or polygon, whatever. Not point on point is difficult to take another point on point. There should be line segment, line or other polygons or shapes or parts. So point on object. That means let's put the cursor here. It is the instruction is select object or its perimeter. Now we are going to select the object. Yeah, point on object, select object and its perimeter. Now let's point object on this line, on this line, on this line. Yes, like this wherever we want. But we can put point there also on the graphics window also, but that's not the real use of point on object. The point of on object actually places the points on the line or between the shapes wherever we want to keep. Okay, now for example, if we have a circle now and we want to take a point on that circumference of circle, then how to take that point? For that it's difficult to take locate points using point tool. For that we have to select point on object. Yes, now let's select point on object tool, then click on that object. Yes, yeah, circumference, wherever you want to place. This is not here. No, point here is not correct. Click on the circle. Okay, like this. Point on object. Click on the circumference. Click on the circumference. Okay. Select object or its perimeter like this. Yes. Now. Yes. Are all points on circumference? Yes, they are all on the circumference, but K is not on the circumference. Okay, all these points are circumference. Let's move it. Yes, they are moving around the circumference of circle. So this is point on circumference of circle. We can use this by using point on object. Now attach, detach. Yes, we will discuss about it later on. Intersect also. Intersect. We will discuss about this tool. Intersect. Let's do intersect. Control A, delete, intersect. For example, this is one circle and this is a line. Let's draw a line. Now we want to find the point of intersection of this line and circle. That means the line and circle are intersected at 2 points. Then how to locate the point of intersection? For this we have to use this intersect. Yes, from point tool we have to select intersect. Now for intersect, let's see the instruction. Select intersection or two objects successively. Two objects, we have to select two objects. Now let's select the first one, this line, and second one, this circumference. Yes, in one click both point of intersection are found. What a good trick. Yes, it's really nice and interesting. Yeah, yes, it's really nice. Now let's use it again. We have one line. Yes, this line and this line are intersected at only one point. To find that point of intersection, we have to select two objects continuously, successively, one after another. Order doesn't matter. Yes, this is given. Point of intersection is given here. What is it? It is point J and its coordinate is 3.31 minus 0.21. It is its coordinate. Yes, like this we can use this intersection. Okay, now midpoint. Another tool is midpoint. How to use midpoint? Yes, okay. Let's draw a line segment. Okay, this is the line segment, and suppose we have to find its midpoint. Yes, midpoint of line segment AB. Then from point tool we have to select midpoint. Okay, and for that click on the object. What is the instruction? Select 2 points, a segment, a circle or cone. Now we are going to select 2 points. First point is A and second point is B. Yes, C is the midpoint. Another, let's draw another line. We have to find midpoint. Then click on the object directly. Yes, its midpoint is given. Now suppose we have one triangle. Sorry. What happened? Yes, we have to click on move tool. Yes, move tool. Before doing any new operation, we have to click on move tool. Now click on polygon tool. Yes, this is a triangle. Now suppose we have to find its midpoint of this side. Then select this midpoint tool from point, midpoint or center. Then click on this line, click on this line, click on this line. Okay. And if you click on this polygon in the middle, yes, midpoint is also shown there. Yes, yeah, that is midpoint of this polygon. Okay. Now let's do one trick using circle. Okay, we have, suppose circle is hidden here. I am going to delete it. Okay, and yes, now let's find the center of this circle. How to find the center? We know center lies exactly in the middle of the circle. Yes, so for this also we can select midpoint or center, and instruction is select 2 points, a segment, a circle or cone. So let's select the circle. Yes, P is given, center is given here. Like this we can find the midpoint or center using midpoint. Okay, now we discuss about this later on. It's related to advanced concept. Let's forget it, leave it. Now we move to line segment. This is segment tool. Okay, especially this is line tool. Yeah, line tool. From here we have line tool, segment with given length, ray, polyline, vector and vector point from point. And among them we discuss only about 1, 2, 3, 4, first 4 topics today. Line tool. Just select line tool, click anywhere or anywhere. Yes, line tool. Line tool is used to draw lines, different types of lines we can draw. And for example, if we have 2 points, suppose we have 2 points, let's select 2 points. Then passing through 2 A and B also we can draw line segment like this. Passing through A also we can draw line segment. 1 point in there, another line suppose pass through B like this using line tool. Also using line tool we can draw line passing through C and B. Yes, another line passing through A and D like this. Another line passing through this point only like this anywhere. Yeah, line tool. Okay. Now segment tool. Segment tool is used to draw the segment. For segment we need 2 points. So click on 2 points. Start and end like this anywhere to any direction. Anywhere to any direction. We can use line segment to draw line. Okay, like this. And segment with given length. Here select point. Instruction is select point, then enter length. Now let's select a point. And segment with given length. Let's enter the length here. Length suppose 3. Then click on OK. Yes, its length is 3 centimeter given. And how to know it is exactly 3 or not? Here, slider tool. Yes. No. From angle tool, we have to find here distance or length. Yeah. Let's click on the object. Its length is given. Its length is 4. Its length is 5. Its length is 5.48. Its length is 4.24. Its length is 4.02. By using from angle tool, we can find the distance. Select the distance and you can find the distance. And from toolbar, options, we can round off them to 0 decimal places. Yes, now decimals are removed here. Again, from options, rounding up to 2 decimal places. From options, rounding up to 3 decimal places like this. From options, rounding up to 1 decimal places. From option, rounding up to 0 decimal places like this. We can set the decimal places also, and we can estimate the value up to decimal places, 0 decimal places, 1 decimal places, or 2 decimal places like this. Okay, now let's delete this.